Iceland is world famous for its picturesque black sand beaches. On the south coast you'll find some of the most iconic ones where legendary film productions such as Game of Thrones and Star Wars have been filmed. This particular black sand beach has even been used in the popular entertainment series The Bachelor, where a buggy ride date was on the agenda. And yes, you can go on that same buggy ride yourself. In fact, if you're visiting the town of Vik, we highly recommend you add a black beach buggy ride to your itinerary.
That's so much fun!
Suit up and go for an action-packed buggy ride on this otherworldly black sand beach. You'll be equipped with overalls, a helmet, gloves and a ski mask to keep you nice and warm. Your guide will briefly review the safety instructions and the basics of the buggy, and you're ready to go. You'll be driving your buggy on the black sand beach over rough terrain and even through rivers, which is an epic experience. Not only will you feel the wind in your hair and the adrenaline pumping, but you'll be cruising through the stunning sceneries of this world-famous black sand area. Buggies are safe and easy to drive, but you do need a valid driver's license to be behind the wheel. As passengers, the buggy ride is a fun activity for children over the age of 6 as well. The tour lasts for 1 hour, costing 24,900 Icelandic krona per person. Save this video so you remember to add this activity to your itinerary for your Iceland adventure. And of course, you can book it on guidetoiceland.is.